Most people think passive income requires either a ton of money up front or years of grinding to build an audience. But what if I told you that a 19-year-old college student used a free AI tool and a 9-a-month automation platform to generate over $3,200 in his first 60 days, without writing a single word himself, without showing his face, and without running any ads? That is not a fantasy. That is exactly what happens when you connect ChatGPT to Make.com the right way. And today you are going to learn the exact system, step by step. Let me start with the big picture so you understand what we are actually building here. ChatGPT is your content brain. Make.com is your automation engine. When you connect the two, you create a pipeline that produces, publishes, and monetizes content completely on its own. We are talking about a system that runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without you touching a keyboard. The result is what most people call passive income, but what I call an automated income machine. Here is the core model. You pick one content platform. You build an automation that pulls a trending topic, sends it to ChatGPT, generates a full piece of content, and then publishes it automatically. That content earns money through affiliate links, ad revenue, or digital product sales. You set it up once, it runs forever. Let me walk you through how to build this from scratch. Step 1 is choosing your platform and monetization method. The 3 best options for this system right now are a niche blog monetized with display ads and affiliate links, a Medium publication monetized through the Medium Partner Program, or a newsletter monetized through sponsorships and affiliate offers. For beginners, I strongly recommend a niche blog. Here is why. A blog with 50,000 monthly visitors earning through Mediavine or Raptive can generate between $1,500 and $4,000 per month in display ad revenue alone. Add affiliate commissions on top of that, and you are looking at a very real full-time income from a completely automated system. Pick a niche that has commercial intent. That means people in that niche are actively trying to spend money to solve a problem. Personal finance, home improvement, pet health, and software reviews are all strong examples. Avoid pure entertainment niches. Those audiences browse, but they rarely buy. Step 2 is setting up your Make.com account. Go to Make.com and sign up for the free plan to start. The free plan gives you 1,000 operations per month, which is enough to test and validate your system before you invest a single dollar. Once you are ready to scale, the core plan is $9 per month and gives you 10,000 operations. That is more than enough to run a full automation that publishes daily content across multiple platforms. Make.com is genuinely the tool I recommend here because it has a visual drag-and-drop interface that requires zero coding knowledge. You can see every step of your automation as a connected flowchart. If something breaks, you can see exactly where and fix it in minutes. Step 3 is building your scenario inside Make.com. A scenario is what Make.com calls an automated workflow. Here is how to build the one that powers this entire system. Start by adding a trigger module. The trigger is what kicks off your automation. Use the Google Sheets module as your trigger. Create a spreadsheet with a column of 50 to 100 blog post topics in your niche. Make.com will read one row at a time on a schedule you set. I recommend starting with 1 post per day. Next, add an HTTP module. This connects to the OpenAI API, which is what powers ChatGPT. You will need a free OpenAI account and an API key. Inside the HTTP module, you will write a prompt template. Here is an example of a prompt that works well. Write a 1 to 200 word SEO-optimized blog post about the topic listed below. Use a conversational tone. Include a clear introduction, 3 main sections with subheadings, and a conclusion with a call to action. Then you pass the topic from your Google Sheet directly into that prompt. ChatGPT returns a fully written article in seconds. After that, add a WordPress module. Connect it to your blog using your WordPress login credentials. Map the content from ChatGPT directly into the post title and post body fields. Set the status to published or scheduled, whichever you prefer. That is it. Make.com takes the topic from your sheet, sends it to ChatGPT, gets back a full article, and publishes it to your WordPress site. Completely automatic. Now, here's where most people stop. They build the automation, they publish the content, and then they wonder why they are not making money. They are missing the most important layer of this system. And this is the part almost nobody talks about. The money is not in the content. The money is in what is inside the content. Here is the counterintuitive truth. A blog with 10,000 monthly visitors and strong affiliate integration will almost always out-earn a blog with 50,000 monthly visitors that just runs display ads. The reason is simple. Affiliate commissions are where the real leverage is. A single well-placed affiliate link in a review post can generate a $200 commission from one click. Display ads might pay you $15 for every 1,000 visitors. Do the math. One affiliate sale equals 13,000 display ad visitors in terms of earnings. That changes everything about how you should think about monetizing this system. So, here is how you build affiliate revenue directly into your automation. When you write your prompt template in make.com, include an instruction for ChatGPT to naturally recommend a product or service category in the conclusion section. Something like this. In the conclusion, recommend a tool or resource that would help the reader take action and explain why it is useful. Then you go into each published post and manually swap that placeholder with your actual affiliate link. Yes, this step is manual. It takes about 2 minutes per post, but it is the step that transforms a content site into a real income machine. For your first affiliate program, I recommend starting with software tools in your niche. Software affiliate programs typically pay 20 to 40% recurring commissions. That means every month your referral keeps paying for the software, you keep earning. One referral can generate $50 to $200 in total lifetime commissions without you doing anything extra. Step 4 is scaling the system. Once your automation is running and your first 10 posts are live, you shift your focus to 2 things: traffic and optimization. For traffic, the fastest organic strategy in 2026 is targeting long-tail keywords with low competition. Use a free tool like Ubersuggest or the free version of Ahrefs to find keywords with monthly search volumes between 500 and 3,000 and a keyword difficulty score below 30. These are the posts that rank fastest and start sending traffic within 60 to 90 days. For optimization, log into Google Search Console every 2 weeks and look at which posts are getting impressions but sitting in positions 11 through 20. Those are your fastest wins. Update those posts with more specific information, better examples, or a longer word count. In most cases, a single update is enough to push them onto page 1. A post moving from position 14 to position 6 can triple its traffic overnight. Here is a realistic income timeline for this system. Month 1, 0 income. You are building and publishing. Month 2, your first $50 to $200 from early affiliate clicks and small ad revenue. Month 3 through 6, $300 to $1,200 per month as content compounds and rankings improve. Month 9 through 12, $2,000 to $5,000 per month if you have been consistent with publishing and optimization. These are not guaranteed numbers. They depend on your niche, your keyword targeting, and how well your affiliate offers convert. But they are realistic benchmarks based on real results from people running exactly this kind of system. The beautiful thing about this model is that it compounds. Every post you publish is an asset that can earn money for years. You are not trading time for money, you are building a library of income-generating content that grows in value the longer it exists. So, here is your action plan for this week. Create your make.com account today using the free plan. Set up your Google Sheet with 50 topics in your chosen niche. Build your scenario following the steps I walked you through. Publish your first 5 posts by Friday. Then spend 30 minutes finding your first affiliate program. That is a full week of work that takes maybe 6 to 8 hours total. And it is the foundation of an income system that can run without you for years. If you want to see the exact make.com scenario file I use for this system, including the prompt templates and the WordPress connection setup, it is linked in the description below. And if this video gave you a real action plan, subscribe. I release new systems and breakdowns every week, and the next one is going to show you how to turn one piece of AI content into 5 different income streams automatically.